Okay, today's video, I'm going to make pasta and cheese, or cheese bake, or whatever you want to call it, but I call it pasta and cheese. And first, what you need is pasta, some mozzarella cheese, and a block of cheese. And also a dish, a cooking dish, baking dish? Yeah, one of those things. So let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you need a cooking pot as well. Yeah, got to fill it with water and then put the pasta in and boil it. And that's basically half the job done. Okay, while the hot water is in the pan ready to boil for the pasta, get your block of cheese, sharp cooking knife, and you can grate the cheese if you want, but what I do, I just cut it into like strips like this. And you got it into like rectangle slices. Yep. Let's move that aside for now. Now you got a bunch of mozzarella balls. You can get grated mozzarella from the shop, but I buy the balls from Tesco because they're only 47p each. And they're actually quite nice as well. What you do is you get a ball and you just kind of like you did with the cheese and just cut it into slices. Now you get your baking tray. I think it's a baking tray, baking bowl, whatever you want to call it. You do that. Then you go and grab your cheese like this, and you just go place, place, place. One there, one there, and then you get your mozzarella and you put it in the gaps, like so. Yeah, I'm not a professional cook at this, okay? This is how I do things. Quick and easy. Oh yeah, when you're cooking the pasta, make sure you put it in for the minute it says in the packet. Yeah, unless you've overdone it. And that's what I gotta say for the pasta. So I'm just waiting for that to be done, then I can continue with the next steps. Okay. Now that we've drained the pasta, time to put it in the dish. You can use any type of pasta for this. And now, what you do is get the extra cheese bits. I didn't know if that was recording or not. Look at this thing coming off. That's so we can load up in as much cheese as you want. And now it's ready for the oven. Okay, now that's in the oven. Oh, it's kind of wonky. That's better. Yeah, that's all in the oven now. I put it at 200 degrees. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit in the American style, but 200 degrees, and you wait till the cheese is melted and you've got a bit of a burnt kind of topping at the top. Well, it depends on how you like your cheese. And yeah, it's a quick, easy peasy lemon squeezy cheese baked pasta and cheese, whatever you want to call it. You can debate if you want in the comments below. There you go. It's all out of the oven now. And take out all the cheesiness. Yum. Okay. Well, that's today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, all the usual stuff. And I'll make some more quick and easy stuff for you in the next couple of days or so. So have a good evening, everyone.